So we proceed from where we left. So let's look at this diagram here. Our intention is actually to come up with these formulas here. Half of BC sine A together with this part which is here, which is half of B times H. So on this type of triangle, we want to know what is the value of H, meaning we want to clarify this part here. So given this type of triangle, what you need to do firstly, you need to observe what is this angle which is here. This is actually angle A. Step number 2, this line, this dotted line here, up to this point, meaning from this side up to here. Wait, let me measure my angle correctly. When I measure this angle like this, my angle will be 180 degrees. But I'm looking for this angle here, which is this part that you see here, the one that I'm highlighting. For us to get this angle, we have to take 180 degrees and subtract A. Remember, this is A, and then we said this is 180 degrees. So here is about the difference between two angles. That is why we say the bigger angle, which is 180, we subtract the value of A to get this angle, which is here. So let me repeat this statement because this may be challenging to some of us. We said for us to get this angle, which is 180 minus A, the A that we're talking about is the angle which is here. And this 180 is the angle which is on the line, which is here. Then we are looking for this angle which is here. Then we use the concept of the difference between two angles. That's why we say the bigger angle minus the smaller angle. The bigger angle is 180 degrees. The smaller angle is 180 degrees. Having said that, we are going to implement the idea of sine. And we are going to say the sine of 180 degrees is the same as opposite, which is hypotenuse, all over. We see the sine of 180 degrees minus A is equal to the opposite, which is H, all over hypotenuse, which is C. That is why here we have the sine of 180 degrees minus A, which is H over C. And we know that 180 minus A lies on the second quadrant. If I partition this thing like this, you can see that this angle here is in the second quadrant. Having said that, here we cross multiply C multiplied by this part, we get H equals to C times sine A. Then we substitute equation 1. This part here, we substitute it. No, we substitute this H into equation 1. Then we go to equation 1, where there is H, we replace H by C, the sine of A. That is why here we have C, the sine of A. Indeed, the area of this triangle is given by half of B multiplied by the small c times the sine of angle A. So that's it. If you are given this type of triangle and you want to calculate the area, meaning the whole region here, what we do, we take the half of B, B is our base, then we multiply by C, C is the distance from A up to B, then multiply by the sine of A, then that's it. So thanks for watching. Let's meet again for the next session.